Hey, welcome back to Photos of Taiwan. My name is Ian. Today I'm going to show you how we can use Lightroom and AI together to automatically generate keywords, titles and captions and more. Okay, keep watching to the end because I'm going to show you how I can build this into my smart workflow system, making it easy and fun to process a ton of images quickly and efficiently within Lightroom. Let's get started. So here we are inside of Lightroom. I have a photo of Christ the Redeemer on the island of Madeira, Portugal. So first of all, I want to show you how I've set up the metadata fields over here. So inside the library module, metadata, I have got it set by coming down to customize, and then literally you can go through here and you can select any of these fields that you want. Notice performance may be impacted when selecting a large number, so don't go crazy. Then you can click arrange and you can just drag them into the order you want. So I like to have the title, headline, caption, rating, label, city, GPS, blah blah blah. Okay, so to add the, let me just show you here the keywords. Keywords empty, titles empty, headlines empty, caption is empty. Go over to file, plug in extras, and AnyVision prompt. So here we have what's going to happen. So we can add and delete things as you wish here. So you can actually make them active or not active. And I'm going to add the keywords, title, headline, caption. So if you just click process, and you'll notice already some things have been done. Okay, so that looks to have finished now. Okay, so here in keywords, it's done a pretty good job, wouldn't you agree? Blue sky, cactus, objects, cactus, plants, clouds, scenery, flowers, hilltop, prickly pear, shrubs, stairs, statue, and a wooden railing, which is here. Down here we've got a title, cactus, love, and a statue. Cactus with messages, statue of Jesus. Then below that we've got a large collection of prickly pear cacti, gives you the type. Cover a hillside, various words and phrases including my love and ole here have been carved onto the pads of the cacti. Statue of Jesus Christ, a prominent landmark, is visible in the background atop the hill. The carvings likely represent messages of remembrance, love, or other personal sentiments left by visitors to the site. So that's what it can do, and I think it's really, really powerful. Let's continue to how we actually get this set up. The first thing you need to do is get hold of the plugin called AnyVision. And AnyVision is made by a guy called John R. Ellis. This is his website. And in fact, the link to the website and to the plugin is in the description below. So this is the plugin here, AnyVision. So you go to this website and you can get all the information here that you need. How to get the plugin, how to link it to Google Gemini and Cloud Vision, and all the stuff you need to know about that. It's easier for you to come to the website and follow his instructions than for me to try to explain it here. So you can actually try the plugin for free here, 50 photos, and you can buy a license. Now the license is at a price you name, so it's like shareware that you can donate to him. If I click on buy a license, so after the free trial ends, you'll need both an AnyVision plugin license and a Google Cloud key tied to a billing account. Cloud Visions cost little or nothing for most users. You can go here to see the Cloud Vision pricing. Okay, I don't believe it's expensive. I think it's like a few pennies per 1,000 images. So I don't think it's going to break the bank. But of course, for your own peace of mind, go and check the pricing here. So yeah, so you just follow this instruction here to buy the plugin, to get the Google Cloud key, and then how to actually add this into Lightroom. It looks complicated, but if you just follow these steps, it goes very easily. Okay. Yeah, so once you've done that, go back into Lightroom, set it all up, and now for the next part, I'm going to show you how I integrate this into my workflow. Okay, so in this section, I'm going to show you how to identify images within inside your Lightroom catalog that you can apply this plugin to. Okay, so what we want to do is go to collections and then create a smart collection here. Now I've already created one. I'm just going to show you what's inside of it. So I've called it no KTC, so no keywords, no title, no caption. Okay, so here we've got just basically title is empty, keywords are empty, caption is empty. File type is not a JPEG. I don't really want to mess around with JPEGs. I just want to do RAW. I typically shoot in RAW. Obviously, if you shoot in JPEG, then you need to change this. And the file type is not video because I don't want to mess with videos, obviously. And the pig flag is not rejected. So I can see that within my Lightroom catalog, I'm ashamed to say that I've got 15,000 images that are lacking these things. So now I'm just going to go through and add a couple to my workflow, and I do that by hitting the B key. So that's gone into my workflow. Let's find another one. This one. I'll add that one. Okay, so inside of my workflow set here, I've got 3 inside of job. So we've got 3 very different images. I will now go through the process. Okay, so this is how it works. So this workflow has got a set number of steps. So call, rate, keywords, metadata, edit, and done. Okay, so the first step is call. Actually, no, the first step is to, oh, these have already been picked. Just 1 second. Just going to unflag them. So now they're in, and I'm just going to give them no stars as well. Give them a 0-star rating. Okay. So inside of call, which is the first step, I normally make these big so that you can see them like this. And then obviously if there's more images, you just do them one by one. So P for pick, X to reject. Pick, pick, pick. Next one, rate them. Only 3 stars progress to the next stage here. Keywords and metadata, because I don't want to add metadata and keywords to everything, even if they're garbage images, right? So just bear that in mind. Only add keywords to images that you really want to keep. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to give each of these 3. So 3, 3, 3. Now we're at the keyword and metadata stage. I can see here from this little icon that this one has location data added, and it's also got some it's in a collection. Okay, right, so let's go through. I can select all 3 and then go to file, plugin extras, and prompt. As you can see on the right, these images have got no keywords, no title, no headline, no caption. Just click process. So it says here 3 photos to be processed. Process. And they will disappear one by one. They disappear from this section of the smart collection. And the reason they disappear is now they have gone through to the next stage, which is edit. And if we check this first one, let's check the first image. It says here, you can see that it's had keywords have been added. Urban steel stairway underpass. Yeah, so it's perfectly identified these. This one here is a ship in dry dock. Ship in dry dock, large ship in dry dock, harbour scene, large military vessel being lifted out of the water in a dry dock. Workers are like, see, it's fantastic, a fantastic implementation of AI. And this one here, this guy, what's he doing? He's got a telescope. Coastal observer with binoculars. Binoculars not quite right. A man wearing a face mask is looking through a telescope at the ocean. Other people are walking. Yeah, so again, a great job. So what I would do now to finish these images is just edit each of them. So go into the develop module. Select the first image, develop module. Auto tone. Add a little bit of clarity, a little bit of texture. And I'm done. When they're done, I'll just press the 8 key or to add the green flag, and that's done. Next one is this one. Again, this one I'll just edit it a little bit. Raise the shadows. Give it some texture. Give it a little bit of clarity. Just check to see if I think it's flat. Transform. Yeah, it's good. Okay, that one's done. Again, add the green flag. Green label, I should say. And one final one. This one. Now, I might crop this one in a minute. We'll see. Auto tone. Raise the shadows a bit. Yeah, I'm going to crop this one. Maybe make it into a square crop. 1:1 square. And I want him to be kind of in this position here. Do you know what we'll do? We'll go the whole hog with this. Let me just reset this before we do anything. Reset. What I'm going to do is test out the AI ability to remove these people. Don't forget to select the shadows. Let's see if Lightroom can get rid of these people. I'm just curious to see how good it is. It's not bad, but it's also removed the railing, right? There's 3 variations. 1, 2, 3. I quite like that one. I think that's the best one of the 3. That one just leaves a space. Yeah, that one. Okay. Now I can crop it. One to one. And I'll just bring it over like this. And maybe... Actually, 1:1 doesn't quite work, does it? It's better like this. Just do it manually. There we go. Apply. Okay, I think that one is done. So there we go. And if I go down here now, you'll see that I've got these 3 images inside of done. If I just hide the panel there, so each of these now has been processed, and they each have their keywords and metadata added. And of course, the benefit of adding this is later on when you're looking through your images. That if you press the backslash up here, the top. Let's just go to the catalog so we've got all of the images. Okay, let's zoom out of these. So I've got 75,000 images in my catalog, and I know for a fact that I don't have the word dry dock on many of them. but I noticed that obviously that ship is inside dry dock, right? So if I go here to text, any searchable field contains, and if I put dry dock, oh, there we go, it's found it. It's found that image based on the fact that we've got dry dock here in the title, and it's got dry dock inside of the caption. So this video is not sponsored, but you can help the channel by taking the time to like the video, consider subscribing to the channel, and also if you really like it, there's a link in the description where you can buy me a coffee. See you in the next one. Bye bye.